Well, here's a question I don't get asked very often. Is it safe to go surfing after hip surgery? Keep watching and I'll tell you. This research paper caught my eye the other day, returning to surfing after hip arthroplasty. Now, before you picture yourself in Hawaii, Bondi Beach or catching waves in Southern California, let's remember most of my patients are in the UK, so we're talking about braving the chilly waters of Cornwall, dodging the rain and hoping you can find somewhere to park. Understandably though, there aren't that many research papers on this in Britain, but I'm sure there's quite a few of you out there who surf, windsurf or who do stand-up paddleboarding. Some orthopaedic surgeons in sunny San Diego looked into whether it's safe to return to surfing after hip arthroplasty, that's hip replacement or resurfacing. They found that on average, patients went back to full-on surfing about 16 weeks after surgery. None of the patients reported hip pain while surfing, and much more importantly, there were no hip dislocations. That's where the joint comes out. That's really impressive because surfing can sometimes be quite violent. And getting onto the board in choppy seas is no mean feat. Surfing is an extreme sport, so there's always a risk of an injury, but as this study shows, it's safe to do it. Interestingly, some patients didn't return to surfing, not because of their new hip, but because of other health restrictions, such as arthritis and their other joints. It's understandable. When you get to a certain age, your appetite for risk and extreme sports does wane a bit. So to sum up, the research shows that returning to surfing after a hip replacement is not only possible, but it's generally safe. And if they can manage it in California's perfect conditions, you can manage it here, where if you fall, at least the water's so cold, it'll numb the pain straight away. As always, check with your surgeon before waxing your board again and take time to get fit and strong. Happy surfing, whether you're in Cornwall, California, or just dreaming about it from a deck chair. And don't forget your wetsuit. Please leave any questions or comments below, and if you're a surfer and you've had hip surgery, please share your experience with us. If you'd like to know anything about hip surgery, please get in touch. The details are in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.